JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight format for storing and transferring data. Most APIs use JSON to send and receive data. It works with almost every programming language, including Python, Java, and PHP. In JSON, curly braces are used to define an object. This example shows a JSON object which includes a key and its value. It can also have nested objects, which has a main object and contains sub-objects. Nested objects keep the data in an organized and structured format. It also reduces repetition by grouping connected details under one logical structure. JSON is used in many applications like user profiles, product catalogs, and API response. You can convert the JSON data to graphs or tables using online editors, such as JSONcrack.com and JSONgrid.com. You can also convert the JSON data to beautiful dashboards or dynamic HTML tables. Here is an example of how you can retrieve data using dot notation. You can retrieve arrays by specifying the position of the values. Another method to retrieve data is using bracket notation. Thanks for watching. If you feel this content has added some value, then do like, share, and subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you.